Need to remove a Microsoft Loop workspace permanently? Let's walk through it step by step. Start by opening your preferred browser. Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you usually use. In the search bar, type Microsoft Loop and click the official Microsoft site. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, locate the workspace you want to delete. Hover over it and you'll see 3 vertical dots appear. This is the More Options menu. Click it, then select Delete. A confirmation dialog will pop up to make sure you are certain about deleting this workspace. Double check everything because deletion is permanent. Once you're sure, click Delete again and your workspace will be removed for good. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a Microsoft Loop workspace. Like, comment and subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials to keep your digital workspace organized and efficient.